Hey everyone, Elijah here from Answer the Home. Today we're diving into a task that can make a big difference in your bathroom's appearance and functionality. Recaulking your shower and bathroom. Let's get started. Over time, the caulk in your bathroom can crack, peel, or become moldy. This can not only look bad, but also lead to water damage. Recaulking is a simple DIY project that can save you from bigger repairs down the road. First, let's gather our materials. You'll need a caulk gun, tub and tile caulk, preferably silicone or latex, a utility knife, a caulk removal tool or scraper, rubbing alcohol or a cleaning solution, painter's tape, paper towels or rags. Got everything? Great. Let's move on to the next step. Step 2 is removing the old caulk. Use your utility knife and caulk removal tool to carefully scrape away the old caulk. Make sure you get all of it out. Any leftover residue can prevent the new caulk from adhering properly. Next, clean the area thoroughly with rubbing alcohol or a cleaning solution to remove any remaining debris and ensure a clean surface for the new caulk. Let it dry completely before moving on to the next step. Now, apply painter's tape along the edges where you'll be caulking. This helps create a clean, straight line and prevents excess caulk from spreading. Leave a small gap where the caulk will go. Load your caulk gun with the tube of caulk. Cut the tip of the caulk tube at a 45-degree angle for better control. Apply a steady bead of caulk along the seam. Keep the gun moving at a consistent speed to avoid lumps and gaps. Once you've applied the caulk, smooth it out with a caulk smoothing tool or your finger. Dip your finger in water to get a smooth finish. Carefully remove the painter's tape before the caulk dries. This will leave you with crisp, clean lines. Allow the caulk to dry completely, usually 24 hours, before using the shower. Allow the caulk to dry completely, usually 24 hours. And there you have it. Your shower and bathroom look brand new with just a little bit of effort. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or need more advice, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more home improvement tips.